Hello and welcome back to Creatives. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a simple fire alarm circuit on a breadboard. So, here is the full circuit diagram of the fire alarm circuit. First, put the LM358 IC on the breadboard as shown. Connect pin 8 to positive rail and pin 4 to negative rail. One leg of the 10K thermistor goes to the positive rail and second leg goes to negative rail through a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. Pin 3 of the LM358 gets connected to the common point of thermistor and resistor. Pin 2 of the LM358 goes to the middle pin of the 10K potentiometer. And the remaining pins of the potentiometer goes to positive and negative rail respectively. Red wire of the buzzer goes to pin 1 of the LM358 and the black one goes to negative rail. Here I am using a 9V battery as power source. Set the potentiometer such that the buzzer doesn't turn on at room temperature. Once the buzzer turns on, it will automatically shut down when temperature of the thermistor comes back to room temperature.